Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be making this golden brown chicken that looks like it had a skincare routine. If this is your first time visiting my page, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. This bridal chicken is a typical definition of a farm girl. It has a tough skin, jaw-breaking muscle and a strong bone. As such, I have to take my time to groom it into perfection. I will start by massaging the skin with lemon, then set it aside for 3 to 5 minutes or more. While we wait for our chicken to have its lemon bath, we can start preparing our sauce for marinating the chicken. We are going to use the same sauce to coat the chicken when grilling. I will do well to showcase the ingredients on the screen so you don't miss on any tiny detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also share your recipes with me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will meet you at the final part of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.